Georgia College Wellness and Recreation Center houses 12 Matrix Treadmills, all of which are equipped with a touchscreen display, heart rate monitor, push-button controls, and an emergency stop function. Treadmills, along with other various cardio equipment, are located on the second level of the fitness center, to the left of the walking track as you come up the stairs. To begin, step onto the treadmill and straddle the belt with one foot on each side. Hand grips are available to use at any time during your exercise if additional stability is needed. Attach the emergency stop safety clip onto the bottom of your t-shirt. Make sure the safety clip remains attached for the entire duration of activity. This will ensure the treadmill will turn off should an accident occur. Next, use the touchscreen display to select a preset workout or to manually set a workout. The Matrix Treadmill is pre-installed with several workout options including rolling hills, fat burn, 5K, fitness test, and target heart rate. If you would like more information on these options, contact a GC Wellness and Recreation staff member. Once you have selected your desired workout, press the Go button on the display screen or on the front hand grip. As it begins to move, make sure the speed is at a comfortable pace and step onto the belt. Yellow toggle switches located on the front hand grips will allow you to adjust the speed and inclination of the treadmill. When you have finished your workout, press the cool down button. This will automatically decrease the speed and level the incline. In case of an emergency while using the treadmill, press the red emergency stop button located on the center of the front hand grip. For more information on the Georgia College Wellness and Recreation Center, visit our website at www.gcsu.edu/wellnessrec.